Hello guys, good morning. Today we are testing these two indicators of a Honda Click B2. The problem of these are both blue screen, but when the screen appeared, it has another problem. The other one that has this LCD, it was full tank before the indicator of the gasoline. I troubleshooted again. We checked that and found that there is cut traces. Now, because even though your motorcycle is not full tank, it shows full tank. This one also, the one which has not LCD, it's also blue screen. When when it is done, the gas indicator too, it is blinking. That's why we troubleshooted again and found that another this transistor, small transistor, which is the configuration common emitter, are leakage. So we replace the transistor. Now it's work fine. I will pause and I will place the LCD at the other indicator board. It is now guys working. The odometer of this is 14,395, while the other one is 22,000. Okay guys, thank you very much for your watching this video. I hope you have something to learn about it. Okay, bye. See you on the next video.